CBSE, Science, Class 9, Chapter 1, Matter in Our Surroundings.
Let us learn the chemistry chapters through questions and answers, which most of the students prefer. Note that PG here is for page, PR for paragraph in your textbook, and questions are in yellow color while answers are in white color.
State about the factors that affect evaporation. We observed that the rate of evaporation increases with 1. An increase of surface area. Evaporation is a surface phenomenon. If the surface area is increased, the rate of evaporation increases. For example, while putting clothes for drying up, we spread them out. Number 2. An increase of temperature. Yes, with increase of temperature, more number of particles get enough kinetic energy to go into the vapor state. Number 3. A decrease in humidity. Humidity is the amount of water vapor present in air. The air around us cannot hold more than a definite amount of water vapor at a given temperature. If the amount of water vapor in air is already high, the rate of evaporation decreases. Number 4. An increase in wind speed. We observed that clothes dry faster on a windy day. As wind speed increases, the particles of water vapor move away with the wind, decreasing the amount of water vapor in the surrounding. Can you demonstrate that temperature, surface area, wind velocity affect evaporation process? For this we have to do the following activity. Take 5 milliliters of water in a test tube and keep it near a window or under a fan. Take 5 milliliters of water in an open china dish and keep it near a window or under a fan. Take 5 milliliters of water in an open china dish and keep it inside a cupboard or on a shelf. Record the room temperature. Record the time or days taken for the evaporation process in the above cases. Repeat the above 3 steps of activity on a rainy day and record observations. We can infer from observations that the effect of temperature, surface area and wind speed affect evaporation process. How does evaporation cause cooling? In an earthen vessel, the liquid keeps on evaporating from porous surface. The particles of liquid absorb energy from the surrounding to regain the energy lost during evaporation. This absorption of energy from the surroundings make the cooling of liquid water, which we like in summer. What happens when you pour some acetone, or nail polish remover, on your palm? The particles of the acetone or nail polish remover gain energy from your palm or surroundings and evaporate very fast, causing the palm to feel cool. Applying spirit before injection also causes similar cooling effect. Why people sprinkle water in hot summer day? After a hot summer day, people sprinkle water on the roof or open ground because the large latent heat of vaporization of water helps to cool the hot surface and the surrounding, which gives relief from excessive heat. Can you cite examples from daily life where we can feel the effect of cooling due to evaporation? After a games period, as students come back to class and stand under a moving ceiling fan, they feel cold because perspiration evaporates from the body and their body turns cool. Why we get more perspiration in summer? During summer, we perspire more because of the mechanism of our body which keeps us cool. During evaporation, the particles at the surface of liquid gain energy from the surroundings or body surface and change into vapor. The heat energy equal to the latent heat of vaporization is absorbed from the body, leaving the body cool. Why should we wear cotton clothes in summer? Cotton, being a good absorber of water, helps in absorbing the sweat and exposing it to the atmosphere for easy evaporation. And we feel more comfortable in cotton clothes than other synthetic fabrics. End of this part. Dear students, share your doubts and questions to this email, given below. The question answers of this chapter 1 Matter in Our Surroundings will be continued.